Hello guys, this is Wick, and today I'm going to show you something different. So I'm going to show you a different method and how to use to do your retouch process. So I'm going to show you from the beginning to the end. So let's get to start. Okay, so first just duplicate this image. Okay, control, you can name it. So okay, let me just name this one. So let's say layer 1. Okay, so all the time I'm going to do is that I'm going to choose the mixer brush, this one. Okay, so I'm going to start it, but like you can watch my privacy videos. I've just done a lot of videos you can watch and learn how to do it. Okay, so let me just finish this process and let's see how it's going to be. So you need to do all this. Okay, so you can make the width to 5%, but I'm always just prefer to use the 80%. Okay, so if you want to use the 80%, you have to just do more. I mean, just practice a lot before you can get to it. Okay. So I'm just taking all this thing out and the glitch too. So I'm done with this one. So let's just keep going and complete this one too. So I'm going to show you the same process I just did. So I'm going to use the same process to just make the face look so cinematic and photo for the shoot style. So just left here. So okay, let's just give it this one. So let's just see before and after. Okay, you see the changes. So all thing I'm going to do is that I'm going to duplicate this one too. Okay, you can make it a shortcut here. Always remember. Okay, so I'm going to drag the background copy to the top here, and I'm going to turn it to black and white. I just made hue and saturation. Then I'll turn the saturation to 0%. Then I'll move to filter and other high pass. So when you get to the high pass, make sure you make it to be around, let's say 2.0. Okay, because this size is too small. So when you get to it, just check if everything's okay. Then you choose this spot healing brush too. So when you get to it, just taking all this thing out. Okay, so this method and the process is different. So you do the same thing here. Okay, so when you're done with it, make sure you turn the normal on to linear light. Okay, so that we get everything you just need right now. So let's check the face. Okay, see before and after normal. So when you're done with it, just add them together. Okay, highlight this both and Control E to add them together. So when you add them together, just duplicate it again. Okay, yeah, and another one again. Then we're going to change the eye. I don't like the color, so we're going to change the eye color to white. Okay, so when you choose that white color, make sure you will just get to color replacement tool, then reduce the pointer and just making it on this. So this process is so easy, you can do. And the dates, okay, and this one too. So take your time and watch this video well. Okay, I'm too fast and I do things so many quick, so you need to just take your time. Okay, so that is it. So I'm going to change the skin color to get to adjustments here on saturation. So I love to make it look like this. Okay, so when you get to this, just duplicate it again, like same process I showed you, and choose dot 2, okay, and make it the exposure to around 60 or 65. Okay, so when you get to it, just increase the pointer and just step around this side and here too. Okay, and the neck. So let's see before and after, before and after. Okay, so cool. So I'm going to choose this color, like red, pink, something like that. So when you get to it, just click and create new layer. When you create a new layer, just choose this brush 2, and make sure you turn the highness to 0 and increase the size. So when you increase the size, step on it like this. Okay, so when you're done with it, change this normal to color. Okay, so when you get to the color, just reduce it, not too much. So make it around like 25%. Okay, and make sure you just correct where it's just damaged, so just take it out. Okay, so cool. So let's see before and after, before and after. So cool, and add them together. Okay, so I'm going to change this to, let me add this to the image. So add them together. Okay, so when you add them together, okay, make sure you change this and also this one. Okay, so don't cut it. When you just get to image again and hue, I love this the hue and saturation, it helps me a lot. Okay, so just increase this and you can change this into any color, any color you just like you want. Okay, so let's just maintain it to be like this. Okay, and control D. So let's see before and after, before and after. So when done with this process, make sure you just move to filter, color, camera raw filter. Okay, so when you get to this side, okay, let's just change something over here. Okay, see, I love the color mixer. Let's change the color to make it well. So here's where I used to correct my things. Okay, so it helps me a lot. And let's just move to the yellow. Okay, so it's going to find where the yellow is and just move to the skin tone color. So I'm going to make it a skin tone color like this. Okay, so just want to, I prefer to choose this. So but you can do the same thing to just get, whatever you just like or want from it. So okay, so let me just take it into around here and let's see how it's just going to perform. So I think this is cool and this is cool. So let's move to the basic. Okay, so the basic, I'm going to push the blacks to 50. Okay, so when you get pushing it to 50, make sure you just take this to down to 7 and the shadow. Okay, allow the shadow to be around 21. Okay, so anytime you're just working on it, just try to check if it's okay for you to just maintain it like that. Okay, so I prefer to make it cool like this. Okay, so let's see before and after. So when you're done with it, just get to the vibrance and just reduce the color. That's it. Okay, so simple. You can get to it and learn the same process I'm just showing you right now. So guys, I'm Wick. Subscribe to my page, like and comment, and I'm going to drop more videos. See you for the next video. Bye.